Turn your English upside down. Master inverted second conditional sentences. Hello, language learners. Today we're going to dive into a special grammar point that can really polish your English: inverted second conditional sentences. Yes, it sounds complicated, but don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll be using them like a pro. Let's start by reminding ourselves what a standard second conditional sentence looks like. If I had $1 million, I would travel the world. Inverted second conditional sentences are simply a more formal or dramatic way of saying the same thing. The if clause is still present, but instead of beginning the sentence, it's now implied and the sentence begins with the verb. Here's an example of an inverted second conditional sentence. Had I $1 million, I would travel the world. The structure of inverted second conditional sentences can be tricky at first. But don't worry, once you get the hang of it, it's quite simple. The general structure is inverted if clause plus comma plus result clause. In the inverted if clause, the if is implied and the sentence begins with the verb had, were, or should. For example, had I $1 million, were I a millionaire, or should I win the lottery? In the result clause, we express the result of this condition using would, could, or might, plus base form of the verb. For example, I would travel the world. I could buy a mansion, or I might quit my job. So, why use inverted second conditional sentences? Well, they're a great way to show off your advanced English skills. They add variety to your language and can make you sound more sophisticated. Plus, you'll often see them in literature, so understanding them can boost your reading comprehension too. Remember, it's all about practice. Start by taking simple second conditional sentences and trying to invert them. And that's a wrap on inverted second conditional sentences. I hope you now feel more confident using these in your daily English. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, keep on writing and speaking, and soon enough, you'll be turning heads with your top-notch English skills. Until next time, keep learning and happy studying.